You guys have been wanting this recipe, so I'm going to show you the method. This is a really delicious turkey. It's a turkey au vin blanc, which is a turkey roasted with white wine. We use the turkey drippings and the white wine to make a cream sauce gravy. And then I added some mushroom duxelle under the turkey skin. And we're just using a turkey breast because why make life hard when it can be easy? This is actually a shockingly easy recipe. There are a few steps, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's do it. First step, mushroom duxelle. Add our shallots, garlic, mushrooms. It should look similar to this. Add our butter. Add my thyme. See those golden brown bits on the pan? We are going to deglaze them to build flavor. My recipe calls for white wine, but we're deglazing those brown bits. Some sherry vinegar should be fine. It has acidity, a little bit of sweetness. Always season with salt. Always season with pepper. Scrape those brown bits into the mushrooms, baby. And we are done. A little trick my uncle taught me, it is to use a little bit of Philadelphia cream cheese. Make this really spreadable. And then something my family does is also add chicken or duck liver pate. That might be a little too much for some people, so we'll just stick with the cream cheese. This is how I rapidly chill my mushroom duxelle because I don't want to put it in the fridge when it's hot. I just spread it in a thin layer onto this sheet pan. This is what you learn when you get your food handler's license. Gonna put this in the freezer to rapidly cool down. While that's chilling, I'm gonna prep my ingredients. I also aggressively salted and peppered this turkey breast and let it sit in the fridge overnight for a nice dry brine to make it extra juicy. Gonna let it sit at room temp. Ingredients are prepped. We have our turkey. I'm going to pat it dry first. I'm gonna loosen the skin. Bang the meat, you see there's like this membrane here. We're gonna loosen that skin. And obviously, once you touch the turkey and you touch the duxelle, you are not going to eat it. I like to layer it up. It's harder to slice with a thicker layer, but I will take a rustic look and a beautiful taste over something that looks really elegant. We're gonna fold that skin back over like that. Melted butter. It's gonna help that skin get extra crispy. I like to salt and pepper one more time. Now we're gonna add our white wine, stock, shallots, garlic, thyme, tarragon. You just put it right on the aromatics. Now I'm gonna roast it at 425 for about 20 minutes so the skin can brown. Your house is gonna smell so good. Okay, I reduced it to 350 and we are cooking. Okay, let's see. Literally, are you joking? Are you kidding me? Excuse me, miss. I'm gonna take the temperature at the deepest part of the breast. All right, we are good to go. It should be at least 165. I'm gonna get to our gravy. I don't know if you knew you can put your roasting pan right on the stove and use it to make your sauce, but if you didn't know that, now you do. While that was cooking, I prepped my sauce ingredients. Turkey breast. Let this rest for 15 minutes. Kind of just like break the shallots apart with your whisk and scrape any golden brown bits off the bottom of the pan. I will spare your ears, but I took that off. We're in our cream, mustard. Let's whisk all of this together. Finally, our fresh herbs. We have chives and more tarragon just to tie it all together. Slice it off this bone. You can absolutely wear gloves. My family is fine with clean hands, and that's what I'm gonna do. Any meat left on the bones, there shouldn't be a lot, but chef snack. Gorgeous. Clean hands. The duxelle will probably come out a little bit. It's just the name of the game. Oh my God, wait, the skin, listen. Fanned it a little bit. Absolute perfection. I hope you tried this recipe. I know it sounds a little intimidating, but I hope that video broke it down for you. Honestly, I think it's easier to make than a whole turkey. Way more moist, not dry. You've got more control. Also, cost effective. So I hope you like it. Cheers. Woo. Happy Thanksgiving.